you use an API to bring down the development costs of your digital platform? My name's Lara Finlay and I'm Director of Geared App. We've built hundreds of digital platforms over the last 9 years, many of which have involved using third-party APIs. So what is an API? API stands for Application Programming Interface, and really what it means is anytime you want to use a third-party tool, such as Google Maps or Facebook sign-in or even paying by Stripe, you want to use that third party and integrate with them to use their service. There can be many different examples of this, but an API requires some documentation for your developers to understand to be able to integrate with that service. So there can be huge advantages to that. However, it's not always as simple as plug and play. We need to make sure that the API that you want to use is documented. So that requires looking at the tool you want to use, seeing what documentation they have on their website, maybe even getting in touch with them to see if they can make that available to us. And if so, is there a cost associated with that? Not only that, but in some situations, there will be more research required from our team, more development time required to make sure we can access and support that API appropriately. So it's not always straightforward. Having said that, there's huge advantages if you can use these third parties and integrate them with your platform to give your users better service overall. If you'd like some help with planning out the costs of APIs and other ongoing costs for your platform, download our budget planning templates. It should be linked below, or feel free to give us a call and we can chat through any other considerations you might need to think about for your project.